It's a wrap. 5 days of LIGNA, 5 days of networking, inspiration, and innovation in the fields of woodworking and wood processing. The main themes were sustainability and digitalization. Had 114,000 square meters of innovations here at the show. 1,300 exhibitors from 50 countries and over 700 world premieres.
LIGNA is innovation, networking, and business.
It's very interesting, it's very exciting.
Very nice fair, very important for us.
We'll be here again in 2 years.
It's been a spectacular show. Hope to see you again in 2 years, 2025, here in Hanover at LIGNA.